So right now, if we talk about, everyone wanna to earn money without any hard work, without any go and sit, and they wanna to earn money very easily way, and they don't wanna to any kind of hard work. That's why they right now lot of problem we have to say. And if we talk about yesterday, what happened with me, so yesterday, when I feel that my bike run out of petrol, so I thought we should full fuel. So I reached one petrol pump, but their side, I said 2 liter get in my petrol pump in bike. So they, I think, only uh, 1/2 liter, and then they steal. So I realized when I ride, because I have to go that time, I had to go long time, long ways, I think 30 kilometer. So when I started, and when, so that time I realized that they took fuel very less, and they still, I think 50 and 40 rupees. So they 15 rupees very less. And not only petrol, I realize also, if in this world and this era especially, if everyone wanna to earn money huge without any hard working, without any working, that's why a lot of person they try to other way to earn money, different way to earn money. And as we know, and daily have heard about also news in the, so this is, I think, very bad thing. And not only petrol pump, if you go anywhere, if you talk about 1 month ago, so when I realized, then that time I was making my bike service, so their side also this thing happened. My things was my bike things one was able to work, but they said this thing malfunction, and this thing will not work, and you will have to change. So I asked why, so they said this is totally malfunction. But I thought and I saw that this thing was very good, but they wanted to sell, because they have also all things, all spare part they have, so that's why they wanted to sell. That's why they said this thing not working again, and if you will try to, so I think in stuck anywhere, so that's why you should change. So that time I realized that this person, I think, wanna to earn money, that's why he is saying. Otherwise, if I go any other way, so they, I also checked, so they say right now you don't need, and you can change, I think, 2 months after. So that time I also realized that everyone wanna to earn money other way. And not only as per part, if you go anywhere, like anything, if you malfunction electric liter, so they will say this thing malfunction. And anywhere, like